So hello, my name is Tien. So I was going to show you the assignment 2, which is the A-star pathfinding and the MCTS for connecting 4. So you can see here on the right corner, I'll provide you a HUD. It show the A-star stat, which is calculating the total cost, the path node, and the frog destination, where it's first spawn, also the goal, which is the flag, where it's spawn. So under it, it's the control where you easily to see the which button you can toggle during it. Here it's a G, which is toggle the red label showing all the red in the whole map. So for now, I'll turn it off. So I also add in some features like by regenerating a new map. So it will show each time different frog spawn and the map spawn. So as you can see, also uh, for for example for the mods it will cause by placing mud down it will cause about 3 costs where you can press in here, which is placing the mud down and pressing using shift and left mouse. It will creating walls where you can design your own maps, so it can move block or go into the floor. Yeah. So there's 2D tile rip map where the frog can move in all 8 directions. So straight cardinal move up, down, left, and right, which costs only 1. Meanwhile, the diagonal it will cost around 1.4 because due to its longer geometric distance. So right now I will show how the explored nodes or the associated costs are fully rendered before the agent begins moving. So notice that if I choose the decision right here, the blue 10 tiles, which is this color, this is the closest set. Every node that I spend during its search. So inside each explorer tile will display the calculate score, which represent the total cost estimate right here up here through the nodes. So the optimal shortest path will be highlighted by the green line here, which is here. As you can see, we're passing to another directions. It is showing the green light beams to show the short path to the destination where I set by pressing right click buttons. So also I can pressing I to turn off the panel, the HUD panel. Also I have some another feature which is the overlay, where it will show turn on and off the grid labels on the maps. So now when we press R to regenerate a different map where it will show the function. Yeah. Right now I will choose this. So now when I'm pressing space, it will trigger the movement of the frog, and as you can see, it does not teleport or snap it to the ability because due to the random stream behavior. So the frog will use 6 steering force like to combine with the waypoint switching radius. So this allows the agent to start steering toward the next cell before strictly hitting the center of the current cell. So this will help creating more smooth movement with the natural arcs around the corners. So once the frog approach the final distance waypoint, it transitions to the arrive behavior, where you can see the upper force will scale desired speed with the distance and apply the counteracting braking force instead of stop radius, which will preventing the frog to overshoot its destinations. Because I occurred the problem during this this part. So the arrival force will help the frog by preventing it to be overshoot. So also when we're pressing D, it will turn on and off its movement. So right here, when I press space, you will see the corridor movement only going up, down, left, and right to its destination. Meanwhile, the diagonal move faster, which is only diagonal movement. Yeah, that's it. Next up. So next up is the part two, which is the connect for MCTS. So here is the connect for MCTS. I also adding some feature which is switching between dark and light mode during the outside of the game menu. And first I will do the human versus AI. Also in after you press into the mode that you want, there are also some instruction here. You can see R to restart the game, T to toggle the thing between dark and light mode pretty much easily, and space is to just auto over pause. So as you can see here, behind the scene of every turn, when I choose one, the AI will form four step loops, which is first selections. It will look on at the move, so as it tried to before, and picks most of the purposing one using the UCP1 formula, so balancing out the movement. Move it no are good, with move it hasn't explored enough. So the expansions, so it's add a new possible board move into a kind of memory. Next, a third one, which is the simulation. So it will play out a random move until someone wins, lose, or ties. So last one is the propagations. So it will send out the result back up the tree, updating like how it's score and visit the count. As you can see here, the column win rates show that uh, the percent of the AI win. So I will press R to restart and start to play it again like this. You see the already win. Also on in the right, there's also the HUD. Let's show which is the debug mode where it to show the AI move analysis, which is contain the select, the columns that it win, also the win rate and the visit. So I'll explain. So to make the AI decisions completely transparent, we show three live stats, which is just say, first is the visit, where this will show how many times the AI explore the column. So a high number the AI visit gets, the it show that it's how the AI paid more attention to the move that I just did. Also, which is the win rate. So the percentage of the submitted game won throughout that column. As you can see, whenever I press and the AI choose the column, the win rate between me and the AI will constantly change throughout our move. I press and wait to finish the game. Yeah, like that. So in the third one is the UCB score. It's combined rating that decide the final choosing column, even when the AI spot the immediate winning move, or it needs to block the opponent first until it still displays the full breakdown. So next up, I will show the AI versus AI. Right here, the AI versus AI. So notice that they're early in the match, like both of the AI agent will focus on the center columns. So that because the center gives the highest number of 4 in a row winning, so combinations. So when one player set up 3 in a row threats, so the opponent's simulation ability detect a massive drop in the rate everywhere else. Let's keep see, as it's already created 4 already, so it's aimed to the 3 or the 4 columns in the middle first. So by this, by taking a massive drop, the win rate will elsewhere. So the AI quickly pour all his visit into the blocking columns. So it will successfully shutting down the threats, pretty much the threats. So in conclusion, as we can see, the MCTS agent make reliable, where it's more competitive decisions and give us more full visual insight into how it's think and plans ahead. See, you can see most of they almost fulfill out the whole game. Is better than me. So the last one, which is human event, where it's providing this story cap between me and the other guys. Yeah, pretty much. So thank you for listening.